Keystone Custom Homes Devon Creek community is a smart growth master plan community centrally located between iconic bustling Lancaster City and bucolic rural Pennsylvania Dutch country Leola. You have the quiet, serene nature of a rural community, but you're minutes from major amenities and 3 major highways that run through Lancaster County that connect us to all the surrounding areas. We are very excited to offer 10 estate home sites here in Devon Creek Phase 2. Our estate floor plans are going to range from 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms up to as many as 4 bathrooms, and range in square footage from just under 1,700 square feet to just over 2,700 square feet. The model that we're showcasing here at Devon Creek is the Sebastian farmhouse. It is just spectacular. We've got deep, rich siding in a board and batten style. We have metal roofing here, faux copper gutters on this house. Walking into the home, you have a faux brick facade along the entry wall into an open family room that opens up into the kitchen and breakfast area. The breakfast area has this magnificent wall of windows, and we feature a classic kitchen here. The oversized owner suite located on the 2nd floor of the Sebastian floor plan features a window seat reading nook that's just spectacular. Tons of natural light flowing into that. Then flowing directly into the ensuite bath, which is a Serenity bathroom package. And we have this corner soaking tub and an elongated double bowl vanity finishing out that ensuite bath. Our single family estate home sites in Devon Creek give somebody the ability to take advantage of the beautiful amenities in the community, the state-of-the-art clubhouse, the swimming pool, the parks, but at the same time have a yard of their own in a house that they can customize to their own liking.